muraibwense ya Kenya Dr. William Samuel Ruto aburi aba Kenya anene mono abalimi bali bagusumeka ekemeligie Echae buchikorora chinchira barachikorosia na gusumeka ekemeliekyo elinde kechigotwara echiro engia isiko ya Kenya muraibwense nigo boigo atebuna nigo ense ya Kenya ere ya gatatu ahase okorosia na boigo gusumeka ekemeliekyo gie Echae boigo muraibwense ya Kenya nigaira libagiri na bataba nigo barusitie omwakweta nigo barusia ebango ase bintu biri bigotumeka go chiguni anene mono chiguni chiri chigotumeka kugacha ekemeliekyo gie Echae norobotero na senchira yo wikirano.
We need a strategy on how to package, first even to grow, to manufacture, to package, to sell, to brand our tea so that we get the right value. We are the third largest producer of tea in the world. And yet, there is no Kenyan tea brand. It is unforgivable. You know, we cannot be producers of that magnitude. And nobody knows. There is nowhere, if you go outside Kenya, you will find no market, you will find no supermarket that sells Kenyan tea. 96% of our tea in bulk, in sacks, you know, with no brand. Gunia tu imewekwa hapo. Inaandika tu black tea. From where, nobody knows. Going where, nobody knows. You know, we must correct that. Last year, we changed the law to remove taxes on materials for packaging of tea. We did that in the last year's budget as a first step. Number two, I want to promise you that we must develop common user facilities. I heard the chairman say this. We need to expand common user facilities so that we begin the branding of our tea. We begin the packaging of our tea. We cannot continue to export our tea in sacks.
Nigo mwanchumuli ya bono tugochikumulekera robot kurua se county ya Kisii asebono abateresa kurua se nyagetari ya Kisii Teaching Referral and Hospital nigo bono babuliri county serikali county ya Kisii elio gochikubakonya banyore emeshara yabo ase chinga kichiri chibwenerete na robot yoro na senjera yo